going back to question number 10. Not going to need this anymore. So a lawyer researched the average number of years served by 45 different justices. That's our sample size, 45 different justices on the Supreme Court. The average number of years served was 13.8. It is known that the population standard deviation is 7.3 years. What is the 95% confidence interval for the average number of years served by all Supreme Court justices? Z sub A over 2 equals negative INV norm of A over 2, where A equals 1 minus the confidence level. A over 2 is half of that. So in this case, we solve for A first. 1 minus that is 0.05. Half of that is 0.025. Then we want to plug that in here. So take the negative INV norm of 0.025. That is 1.96. We're then going to plug that in here. So we take 1.96, multiply by our population standard deviation, 7.3, and divide by the square root of n, 45. So that comes out to be 2.13. 2.13. Now that's just our margin of error. So now we need to take x bar and subtract that. 13.8 subtract 2.13 equals 11.67. 11.67. See, we're using that and that. Then we're going to take 13.8 and add 2.13. 15.93. Okie doke. Well, they round it, so 11.7 and 15.9. Again, we could also write that as 11.7 is less than our population mean, and our population mean is less than 15.9.